How to fix screen recording not working in iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can fix screen recording not working in iPhone. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right into it. So first thing that you'll need to do is head over to your settings. On your settings, let me just head back. There we go. On our settings, here go to screen time. So scroll down until you see screen time and then tap on it. Then you'll need to head over to content and privacy restrictions. There we go. Tap on it. Now here you'll need to verify that no screen time recording or screen time restrictions are blocking it. So from here, you can simply see all of those, uh, you know, privacy and other related stuff. You can make sure that all of these are turned to allow. You can also see allowed apps and features and all the other stuff. So here, make sure that nothing is restricting your uh, screen time or screen recording. After you've done that, you can then simply check on your control panel that you have screen time. I mean screen recording. If you don't have it, tap on the top left corner on the plus icon, then tap on add a control. And from here, simply select this screen recording. That's right below text size. And you should have it right here. After you've done that, you can then move back to your settings. Here, go to general. Now, sometimes your screen recording can be blocked due to your iPhone not having storage. So head over to your iPhone storage and free up some of your storage and make sure that it has enough space. After that, finally, what you can do is head over to software update, and if there is an update available, update your iOS. After you've done that, you can restart your device and your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching. That's basically it for today. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.